Hello Emerson students, this is Miss Gaber and today we're moving on to a new sort. Our sort is number 8 and we're focusing on unusual plurals. So last week with sort 7, we worked on this one here. We were adding ES to make things plural, like turning bench into benches, branch into branches, and there were also some that you could just add S to, like book, books. Right? So now we're going to be working with a little different situation where we have a vowel change in our word when we change it to plural. So the examples they give you here are wife. If you have a wife, it's one person. If a bunch of people are together and they are called wives, then that changes just to ES and it didn't change the vowel. But here we have 1 foot or 2 feet. For foot, our vowel is 2 O's in the middle, and when we change it to feet, to plural, it's 2 E's instead. And then we have another category called no changes, like sheep. If you see one, it's a sheep. If you see a whole herd of them, they're still just a herd of sheep. That can be plural and singular. So some will have vowel plus ES. Some will have, it looks like F to V also. We didn't talk about that. Wife turned into wives, so the F changed to a V. That'll happen in other words too. So we have that category. We have just vowel change, foot to feet. And then we have no changes at all, same singular and plural. So the rest of our words are leaf, leaves, woman, women, deer, loaf, loaves, mouse, mice, knife, life, lives, tooth, teeth, knives, wolf, wolves, goose, and geese. I will help you get this sort started and then you can finish it on your own. All right, so today I decided to cut out some of the words, but not all of them. We're just going to cut out the ones that we are working with together, and I've left the rest of mine here on the paper, and I would cut all of them out. So you should cut all of your words out to do this work. I just cut out the first few rows so that I don't get carried away and sort all of them, because I know that you want the opportunity to do that yourself. So the first thing I would do with this sort is put my singular and plurals together. So for instance, feet and foot, that's a pair, foot and feet. They mean the same thing. One just means a singular and one means the plural of that, so many. Wife and wives can go together. Women and woman go together. Leaves and leaf go together. And deer doesn't have a partner and sheep doesn't have a partner. So now we can start sorting. We already discussed wife and wives. The difference that we notice is not only in the S at the end, but there is a change. The F changes to a V. So wife turns to wives. So we're going to move that over here. And we talked about vowel change already as well, foot and feet. So this is what happens when there's a vowel change to make it plural. And then our last example, the bolded one, was sheep. Sheep can be one or it can be many. Next, we'll take a look at leaves and leaf. So the singular one is called a leaf with an F. Multiple or plural of them are called leaves with a V. So we had to change the F to V and add ES. That fits this rule. What rule does this fit? One woman or many women? What changed? That's right, the vowel changed. So in woman, there's only one A at the end of the word, and it changes to one E towards the end of the word to become a plural. And that leaves us with deer. Similar to sheep, you can have one deer or many deer, but they will still be called deer. Okay, so if I were completely finished, I would begin recording this sort. Remember that we write the headings. You can write sort number 8 to keep track of where you are in your word sorts. Sort 8. And you can write your rules, F to V plus ES, vowel change, and no changes. I ran out of room. Oh well, that's okay. That happens sometimes. Okay, wife and wives. Foot and feet goes with vowel change. And then no change, sheep. All right, so you would continue on this way until you've written all of your words. Don't forget to check out your word search and all the other options for follow-ups that you can do each day.